Do you know what this one is?
A crab.
A crab. I think it could even be a coconut crab. I've seen them on the Octonauts. I wonder what this one is. Do you know what this one is? Marley, what do you think this one might be?
Crab.
A crab?
Yeah.
Don't know. It could be a sea slug, or it would be a little creature that crawls along the bottom of the ocean, I think. Maybe a sea slug, or I'm not really sure what it could be. You have a look. Where are you going to put that one?
The chatty Barnacles.
What is it? Oh, Captain Barnacles. Oh no, what's he doing to Captain Barnacle?
Eating him.
Oh, he's eating Captain Barnacle. Oh no. Marley, what do you think this one could be?
A fish.
What colour is it?
A pink.
Pink fish. Here you go. Where are you going to put this one? Put that one somewhere.
In here.
Oh, it's going in a gup. Oh my goodness. And Marley, what do you think this one would be?
A shark.
Do you know what type of shark it could be?
Yeah.
What type of shark? See how it's got little stripes? What else has stripes? Maybe it's a tiger shark.
Tiger
Do you
shark.
think it's a tiger shark?
Yes.
Here we go. Where are you going to put the tiger shark?
Oh no.
Oh no, the gup fell down, Marley. That's alright, we'll just put this one up here instead. Oh, it tweaks upside down. So here's your tiger shark. Where are you going to put the tiger shark?
Oh, teach.
You want Tweak?
Yeah.
Well, here's Tweak. Oh, that's not Tweak, that's Dashy. What was I looking at? Here's Tweak. Here's Tweak. And then here's Dashy. Do you want Dashy?
No.
We'll just leave Dashy down here. And what type of animal is this one, Marley?
A turtle.
A turtle. Turtle swimming in the ocean. Here you go. Where are you going to put that one? What type of animal is this one?
Big fish.
A big fish. Here you go. Where are you going to put that big fish?
Did you have put him in?
Yeah. Okay. So see how there's this on the floor. Well, Tweak has a hole in his or her shoe. Tweak has a hole in her shoe, and then you put the shoe hole on that, so she'll stand up like that. See that?
Yes.
And what type of animal is this little one, Marley?
A crocodile.
A crocodile. Whoa. Okay, where are you going to put the crocodile? So Tweak is now captaining the gup. And what's this one, Marley? Marley, what's this one?
A blowfish.
A blobfish. It is a blobfish. Whoa.
Oh, so no one help them.
And what's this little one here?
I'm frog.
A little frog. And here's another. What's this one? It's a different type.
Red crab.
A red crab. Whoa. What about this one, Marley? What about this one? What's this one?
Purple fish.
A purple fish.
I
Lovely.
got it.